about what you guys changed in that second half.
Well, we definitely came out in the first half really slow, flat, like we were a step behind everything. In our turnovers, we had 9, and in the last 2 games, we'd had 9 combined. So we weren't taking care of the ball, we weren't rebounding. They just wanted the game more than us at that point, so we went in at halftime, we reevaluated what we needed to do, and we came out with a lot more fire.
Defensively, you're pretty effective at stopping them in that second half. Yeah. Was that another point of emphasis?
Definitely. Our goal was 12 or less three-pointers, and we held them under, I think, to 11, because that was only 1 more in the second half. So we really locked down on that.
3-point attempts, you mean?
Yeah.
Rebounding wise, I know Chris probably had, I think she had 7 rebounds in the first 10 minutes. How important were the boards tonight, too?
Oh, they were huge. I mean, our stats say like we're 14-1 when we win the rebounding war, so and I think we did that tonight by I think 9, and Chris was a huge factor of that. I mean, even the guards came back and helped, so it really helped.
Talk a little about your teammates tonight who really did step up for you guys.
I think everyone did a great job. I mean, it was really hard here to keep going hard, sprinting up the floor, and we had no air. Like it's Utah, so it's like that. But I mean, Jackie and Ashley handled the ball well. Neek handled the ball well, so that was really huge for us. And then I think Bree really got in there and got on the boards with Chris. And Kari and I just tried to stop their bigs. So.
Feel like you're hitting your stride in this tournament now?
Definitely. I mean, we were just talking in the locker room, and the coaches said we think we're peaking again at the right time in the tournament. So hopefully we just keep on rolling.